Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Going a little later today because I wanted to see the new weather model runs, and we're going to look at them together with regards to the situation for Thursday morning because we do have a weather system that is setting up quite nicely now. If you take a look at the satellite loop along the southeast coast of the United States, not too shabby looking here as far as the moisture that's involved. A nice concentration of it off the North Carolina coast. But you also see this trough that is swinging out across the Great Lakes. That is basically the mechanism that's picking this up and driving it up the eastern seaboard. So you've got this low that's developing here and this front that is moving eastward and the alleyway for this to move right up the coast. So the timing is such that it's going to be coming during the morning commute for most of the area from northern Maryland on northeastward through south central, southeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York City, the Hudson Valley, Long Island, and southern New England. It's a 4 to 6 hour shot of rain because this trough is very deep. It's going to be moving right along. And the payoff is going to be behind it because you've got all this dry air that is back up through the northern plains and the Rockies, and that is going to be coming in starting on Friday and taking us into Sunday. It's also going to be setting up the warm-up. So let's look close up on the northeast satellite view, and we've got these high clouds that are streaming in at the moment. There's a bit of a heavier cloud cover as you go down into Virginia, but we're still kind of on the edge of this. The real important stuff is further to the south, and it's just coming onto the scene here into North Carolina. The radar shows the showers and storms in the Great Lakes down into the middle Mississippi Valley. That is the northern part of the jet stream, of course, the deep trough, and then you've got this separate shortwave that is producing downpours along the South Carolina coast and just off the North Carolina coast, and moving northeastward. It is still a ways away from getting here. So let's play this out. First, we're going to take a look at the HRRR model, and I'm going to use the latest run, which will take us through tomorrow morning and beyond. So here we go for today. Obviously, no problems for the rest of the day. There should be sunshine with high clouds, a thicker cloud cover as you go south and west of Philadelphia. Thinner cloud cover as you go north and west of New York City, and temperatures are going to be mostly in the 70s. Now here's the rain for overnight. We are now at 2 a.m. So you're starting to see some rain coming into southeast Pennsylvania, down into Maryland, and then there's some showers offshore, and then of course it really kind of blossoms out. This is at 6 a.m. where it's raining just about everywhere. Coming up offshore from Long Island and also over New Jersey, eastern PA, southern PA, down through Maryland. And again, those embedded heavy downpours. And now we are at noontime. So by noontime, much of this has lifted up further north into New England, and then it moves away. Late in the afternoon and evening, you can see there's another line of storms in central PA. So I threw in the chance that there could be another line of showers and storms. And the NAM model is probably not that different as we look at this. One of the things I would just emphasize is the fact that we know what we're dealing with, so we're really just going to have to see how the radars present themselves overnight and tomorrow morning to determine how hard you're going to get hit with rainfall. I think some places are going to wind up with a quick inch or two of rain that will cause some urban and small stream flooding, and it looks like the NAM's timing is about the same. Perhaps it's about the same as the HRRR. So again, coming in during the early morning hours, reaching Philadelphia probably at around 5 a.m., New York City at around 6, 7 a.m., and then on it goes to the northeast. Very quickly, as far as weather conditions for Friday and the weekend, because we've got Father's Day, and we know that Mom's Day was a disaster, but Father's Day not going to be the case. We've got cooler, drier air coming in for Friday. Temperatures will be in the 70s. We're going to warm up quickly into the 80s on Saturday with plenty of sunshine. There's a frontal boundary to the north and a west-southwest wind, so I think Sunday could be very warm, somewhat humid, 80s to near 90. This is the surface map for Sunday afternoon. at 2 o'clock. By 8 in the evening, there might be some showers and thunderstorms occurring across Pennsylvania and parts of interior upstate New York, but I don't expect them to get to the coast until sometime Sunday night. So that pretty much covers it, folks. Again, my recommendation for Thursday morning, give yourself at least an extra 15 to 20 minutes of travel time because of the fact that you are going to be driving in some heavy downpours for the morning commutes from Maryland all the way up into southwest New England and Long Island and the Hudson Valley. So that whole zone in there going to be impacted by this. All right, folks, that's it for Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. We'll update you on all of this and much more later on. So watch for the website posts, keep abreast of all of this on your app, and we'll see you later.